dear students, how are you all? I hope all are keeping fine. I am Chokulamram. This video clip is part 1 of Computer Standard 4. Dear students, kindly open your book page number 80. Today we shall learn chapter 7, that is print and procedures in logo. In this chapter we shall learn about printing text and numbers using mathematical functions, logo procedure writing, saving and running a procedure, doing corrections in a procedure, deleting a procedure, using repeat commands in procedure. Let us read the lesson and learn from it. Print and procedures in logo. The full form of logo is logic-oriented, graphic-oriented language. It is designed to teach logic and basic computing skills. Logo is a simple computer language used for drawing figures, typing text, and performing arithmetic calculations. The extension file name of logo is .lgo. You have already learned how to draw shapes in MSW logo. Let's learn more features of logo. Dear students, you know logo is a computer language and full form of logo is logic oriented, graphic oriented, and it is used to designed to teach logic and basic computing skills. And logo is a simple computer language used for drawing figures, typing text, and performing arithmetic calculations. And MSW logo is the most popular in logo, and the extension file name of logo is .lgo. Printing text and numbers. The print command is used to display text or numbers in the recall list box. For example, let us display the word rows using the print command. Step 1. In the command input box, enter print rows. Step 2. Press the enter key. The word rows will be displayed in the recall list box. The print command is also used to perform calculations using arithmetic operators and display the result in the recall list box. Let's understand the use of the print command to solve mathematical problems with the help of the examples given on the next page. Arithmetic operator, print command, output. Addition or plus, print 30 plus 20. Subtraction or minus, print 70 minus 30. Multiplication or star, print 40 star 20. Division or slash, print 40 divide 20. Using mathematical functions. Logo also uses mathematical functions to perform calculations. You can enter the mathematical functions instead of arithmetic operators to perform a calculation. There are 5 types of mathematical functions: sum, difference, product, quotient, and remainder. These mathematical functions are used with the print or PR command to display the result in the recall list box. Sum. The sum function is used to add two or more values. Example, PR sum 40, 20. The output is 60. If you want to add more than two values, enter sum and values in brackets. Example, PR sum 50, 60, 30. The output is 140. Page number 82. Difference. The difference function is used to find the difference between two numbers or to subtract one number from another. Example, PR difference 50, 25. The output is 25. Product. The product function is used to find the product of two or more values. Example, PR product 30, 50. The output is 1500. Logo procedure. You need to learn a certain set of commands when you are working in logo. For example, if you want to draw a square again, you will have to enter all the commands again in the input box. It takes a lot of time. Logo provides a solution for this. The solution is known as the procedure. A logo procedure is a set of logo commands that should be saved with a particular name to perform that task again. You can use a logo procedure for the same set of commands again and again without typing the whole procedure every time. A logo procedure consists of three parts. Title line. It allows you to write a name for the procedure. It begins with the word to. Body. The body has all the commands for drawing the desired figure. End line. The end line contains the word end. It means that the instructions are over. Writing the name of a procedure in logo. When you write a procedure, you should know the following points. The procedure name consists of letters, numbers, and symbols. The first character should always be a letter. A procedure name cannot have blank spaces and arithmetic operators. No logo command can be the name of procedure such as RT, LT, or FD. Procedures in MSW logo can be written in two ways. By using the input box. Step 1. Click in the input box. Step 2. Type 2 followed by the name of the procedure. For example, to triangle. Step 3. Press the enter key. The user input box will appear. Step 4. Type the commands to draw a triangle. The commands are FD80, RT120, FD80, RT120, FD80, RT120. Keep pressing the enter key after each command you give. Step 5. When all the commands are entered, type end and press the enter key. The procedure for drawing a triangle is complete. Step 6. If you want to run the procedure again, type triangle in the input box and press enter. Page number 84. By using the editor window. Step 1. Click in the input box and type in edit triangle. The editor window will be displayed with the first and the last line of the procedure defined for you. Step 2. Click at the end of to triangle and press the enter key. Now enter the commands to draw a triangle. To triangle, FD100, press the enter key. RT120, press the enter key. FD100, press the enter key. RT120, press the enter key. FD100, press the enter key. RT120, press the enter key and press the enter key. Step 3. You can go to the file menu and click on the exit option. A message dialog box will be displayed. Step 4. Click on yes to save the procedure. Your procedure will get saved. Dear students, we already know what is logo. Logo is a computer language and it is a very simple and most popular in the world. And the full form of logo is logic oriented, graphic oriented language. By using this language, we can do many tasks like drawing figures, typing text, and performing arithmetic calculations. Then let us see printing text and numbers. By using this language, how we can print the text and numbers. When we want to print a text or numbers, the command will be given in the command input box, and when we want to print text or numbers, we should follow two steps. In step 1, enter print command in the command input box, and which text or number you want to print, that will be in the single quotation mark. Then step 2 is press the enter key. Then we will get our output in the recall list box. Then also we can use the print command to solve mathematical problems. Let us see an example. Suppose we want to add number 30 and 20. Then print command will be in the command input box. You should write print or PR 30 plus 20. Then output will be 50 and our output will be displayed in the recall list box. Then using mathematical functions, how we can use it in mathematical functions. Dear students, there are 5 types of mathematical functions: sum, difference, product, quotient, and remainder. These mathematical functions are used with the print or PR command to display the result in the recall list box. First is sum. Sum means the addition. Suppose we want to add two numbers 14 and 20. Then print command will be PR sum 40 space then 20. Then the output is 60. Then this output will be displayed in the recall list box. Then second, difference. Difference means minus. Suppose we want to subtract number 50 and 25. Then print, how we can give this print command in the command input box. The command will be PR difference 50 space then 25. The output will be 25 and this output will be displayed in the recall list box. Then product. Product function is used to find the product of two or more values. And suppose we want to multiply or we want to know the product of two numbers. Suppose we want to 30 and 50 and to multiply. Then print command will be PR product 30 and a space 50 then enter key. Then the output is 1500 and this 1500 will be displayed in the recall list box. Next, logo procedure. So dear student, what is logo procedure? First we should know procedure. Procedure is a solution or methods, and this solution is provided by logo, and all this solution is known as the procedure. Then logo procedure. Logo procedure is a set of logo commands, and that command should be saved with a particular name to perform the task again and again. So logo procedure is a set of logo commands. Then logo procedure has three parts. One is title line, second is body, and third is end line. Then title line allow us to write the name for the procedure, and it always begins with the word to. Then body is the area or the place of logo window where we can type the all commands to draw any figures, and all that commands is known as a body. Then third is a end line. End line, it contains the word end, and this means that the instruction are given is over, means it is already performed. Then next, writing the name of a procedure in logo. How we can write the name of procedure in logo? So we can write the name of a procedure in logo by using two ways or two methods. First is by using the input box, and second is by using the editor window. So let us see by using the input box how we can write the name of a procedure in logo. So when we want to write the name by using the input box, we have to follow 6 steps, and these 6 steps are: step 1 is click in the input box, and second is step 2 type 2, then step 3 press the enter key, then user input box will be appear. Then step 4 type the commands to draw a shape, which shape you want to draw. Accordingly you should type the command, then press the enter key after each command you give. Then step 5 is when all the commands are entered, type END and press enter key. Then the procedure for drawing a shape is completed. Then step 6, if you want to run the procedure again, type the shape name in the input box and press enter key. Second, by using the editor window, let us know how we can write the name of a procedure in logo by using the editor window. By using the editor window, we have to follow 4 steps, and these 4 steps are: in step 1, click in the input box and type in edit, then whatever figure we want to draw, that figure name in the quotation mark. Then the editor window will be displayed with the first and the last line of the procedure defined for you. Then step 2 is click at the end of to and shape name and press the enter key. Then now enter the commands to draw a shape. Suppose we want to draw a triangle. Then now we enter the command. How? In the input or editor window, how we will write the command? We will write the command T2, then triangle. Then command will be FD100. Then press the enter key. Then RT120. Then press the enter key. Then FD100. press the enter key, then RT120, press the enter key, FD100, press the enter key, then RT120, then press the enter key, then and E and the and press the enter key. When we want to draw a triangle, on that time we are moving, total is moved forward how many times? 3 times, and it is turning, right turning how many times? 3 times, and it draw a triangle. Then step 3, you can go to the file menu and click on the exit option. When our to draw a figure is already completed, then in step 3 we go to the file menu and click on the exit option, and a dialog box will be displayed. Then step 4 is, in the dialog box you click on yes button to save the procedure, and the procedure will be get saved. Running a procedure. After defining a procedure, you can run it. Type triangle in the input box. Press the enter key. The turtle will draw a triangle. Saving your work in Logo. After you have created a procedure in Logo, the computer will save it in its primary memory, which is temporary. Therefore, you need to save the procedure in the secondary memory of your computer for reuse. By using the file menu. Step 1. Click on the file menu. Select the save option. The save as dialog box will appear. Step 2. Mention the location and file name to save your file. Step 3. Click on the save button and your file will get saved. Opening a saved procedure. If you want to open a saved procedure, it will get loaded on the RAM from the hard disk. You can see the commands or instructions written in the procedure. To open a procedure, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the file menu. Load option. The open dialog box will appear. Step 2. Find the saved file or procedure and select it. Click on the open button. Your saved file or procedure will get loaded in Logo. Step 3. Type the name of procedure in the input box and press the enter key. The output will be displayed on the screen. Page number 86. Doing corrections in a procedure. If you want to make some changes in the procedure to draw a triangle, follow these steps. Step 1. Click in the input box. Step 2. Type edit triangle. Step 3. Press the enter key. The editor window will be displayed. You can see all the instructions of the procedure. You can change them according to your need. For example, you have already created the instructions for the procedure to draw a triangle. This procedure will draw a triangle. Suppose you want to change the value of FD in each set from 120 to 150 to draw a bigger triangle. Now you can click in the file menu and go to edit option while saving these changes by clicking the yes option in the message box. You can now run this procedure to see a triangle bigger than the one drawn earlier. Deleting a procedure. If you want to delete a saved procedure permanently, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the File menu and go to Erase option. You will see a dialog box. Step 2. Click to select the procedure you want to delete, or click on the All button to select and delete all other procedures. Step 3. Click on the OK button. The selected procedures will get deleted. Using repeat command in procedures. You can use the repeat command for drawing various types of polygons and other figures. When you use it in a procedure, it becomes quite simple to draw the figure. All that you have to perform is to type the repeat command while entering the instructions. Let's learn to draw a square by using the repeat command. Click in the input box and type repeat for FD 60 RT 90. Press the enter key. Now type end and click on the OK button to save your procedure. You can now run this procedure. The turtle will draw a square on the graphic screen. Page number 88. Drawing a grow square. Type the following to define a grow square procedure. To grow a square, repeat for FD 30 RT 90. Repeat for FD 60 RT 90. Repeat for FD 90 RT 90. Repeat for FD 120 RT 90. Repeat for FD 150 RT 90. Home and. Dear students, running a procedure. How we can run the saved procedure again? After defining a procedure, we can run it. How? Type the figure name in the input box and press the enter key. Then, according to the command, the turtle will move and it will draw a figure. And this is the running procedure. Then saving your work in logo. How we can save our work in logo? After we have created a procedure in logo, the computer will save it in its primary memory, and that cannot be permanent save, or that will be saved in temporary. Therefore, we need to save the procedure in secondary memory. Whatever we will save in secondary memory, that will be used afterwards. So we need to save the procedure in secondary memory. Then, by using the file menu, how we can save the procedure? By using the file menu, we have to follow 3 steps. and according to these three steps we can save the procedure in secondary memory. Step 1 is click on the file menu. Then we will see a drop down menu and select the save option. Then save as dialog box will appear. Step 2, mention the location and file name to save the file. Then step 3 is click on the save button and the file will get saved. Next, opening a saved procedure. How we can open the already saved procedure in the computer? If we want to open a saved procedure, it will get loaded on the RAM from the secondary memory, and RAM is a primary memory, and we can see the commands or instruction written in the procedure. To open a procedure, we have to follow 3 steps, and these 3 steps are: step 1 is click on the file menu, then select load option, then the open dialog box will appear. Then step 2 is find the saved file or procedure and select it, then click on the open button. Then the saved file or procedure will get loaded in logo. Then step 3 is type the name of procedure in the input box and press the enter key. Then the output will be displayed on the screen. Next is doing correction in a procedure. How we can make correct in a procedure? If we want to make some changes or correct in the procedure, to draw a figure, we have to follow 3 steps, and these 3 steps are: step 1 is click in the input box, then step 2 type edit, then double quotation start and figure name, then step 3 is press the enter key. Dear students, deleting a procedure. If we want to delete a saved procedure permanently, follow these steps. Step 1 is click on the file menu and go to erase option, and you will see a dialog box. Then step 2, click to select the procedure which one you want to delete, or click on the all button to select and delete all other procedures. Then step 3 is click on the OK button, then the selected procedures will get deleted. Then using repeat command in procedures. How we can use the repeat command in procedures? We can use the repeat command for drawing various types of polygons and other figures. When we use it in a procedure, it becomes quite simple to draw the figure, and all that we have to perform is to type the repeat command when entering the instructions. Suppose you want to draw a square by using the repeat command. Then click in the input box and type the repeat command. Then press the enter key, and after that you type end, end, and click on the OK button, and the procedure will save. Then draw a grow square. How we can draw a grow square? To draw a grow square, we have to type the repeat command, and when we want to draw a grow square, that time repeat command will be repeat 4, then within the bracket FD 30 RT 90, then again repeat for FD 60 RT 90, then repeat for within the bracket FD 90 RT 90, again repeat for FD 120 RT 90, repeat for FD 150 RT 90, and home, then end. This is the command to draw a grow square. Means slowly the square will be grow to the right side. According to the command, this square will be grow. Suppose when we are giving the command RT, means right turn, if we give the LT, that means left turn, that time will be total moves BK, means backward, and when it moves right turn, that time the moves will be forward.